those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then, and let's do it tonight.
to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust, that after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. 18 in the summer, man, it feels like yesterday, when she was looking out that window on the bus to second grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. But there's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
Erica incense sweeter than cinnamon. Rehearse and repeat my verses till they stuck in me insulin. Kill it, I hearse, I work, I bust my legs in the interim. Chasing sky, how your vibes, yeah. By all means, tryna flex like Hot 97. By all means, triple threat, Malcolm X. Hey. By all means, can't stop till I got the top spot right next to Missy Erica, Incense and Prince, product of joy, magic and muscle. Van McCoy with the hustle. We've been working circles, small as pinky rings. My people play their position, puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the Energizer Bob non-stop. Bad bunnies drive to the drum line now. We've been working, we've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt. In this toy shop, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe. And nobody is watching at night. I wanna rise up. Need a friend.